Today I want to show you this super cool bicycle headlight. It can go on and off, just has a quick disconnect right here, and it can quick disconnect off your handlebars with this mount. Go right on your handlebars. You just twist it up, put it on. See the disconnect mount, and if the one inside of it gets damaged, it comes with an extra, and it just switches right on. Boop, your light's on. You can move it around, put it here, take it off. We have a couple different lights. There's off, on, and even cooler, it's USB-C charging, and it has an output so you could charge your phone off of this during the day, which is another nice feature. Nice aluminum design, has heat sinks on there. They do say it could get hot. I haven't experienced it. Slightly warm, but I've had it on for like 20 minutes just to test that, and it still seems fine. But let's see how it looks at night. All right, now we are at night. I'm gonna go ahead and turn headlight on. Whoa, we're illuminated. Here's the point of view from the bike. Then off, a lot harder to see. On, moves with your handlebars, which is nice. You can move it all around. Very helpful. Helps people see you, helps you see. Very bright. It's illuminating. I can see those oak trees over there, which is a good distance away. So I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.